2026 is about to create millionaires, and most people won't even see it coming. While everyone is still stuck doing outdated business models, a small group is quietly building AI-powered income streams. Today, I'll show you 3 AI business ideas that could literally change your life. AI isn't the future anymore. It's happening right now. And the people who move early win big. No coding, no huge investment, just smart execution. Let's get into it. First, AI automation agency. Businesses are drowning in repetitive tasks, customer support, emails, lead generation, and they're desperate for automation. That's where you come in. You build simple AI systems using tools like chatbots, email automation, and CRM integrations, and sell it as a service. Charge $500 to $3,000 per client. And here's the crazy part. Most clients don't even care how you do it. They just want results. Local businesses, real estate agents, e-commerce stores, all need this. Second, AI content creation. Content is king, but creating it daily, painful. So businesses are outsourcing everything. You can start a content agency using AI tools to create YouTube scripts, Instagram posts, TikTok videos, blog articles, charge monthly retainers, $300 to $2,000 plus. And with AI, you can deliver 10 times faster. One person can run an entire agency. Third, AI micro SaaS. This is where real money is made. Instead of selling services, you sell a tool. Simple idea. Resume Builder with AI caption generator. AI email writer. You don't need to be a developer. Use no-code platforms. Connect AI APIs and launch. Even $10 per month from 1,000 users equals $10,000 per month. And it scales without more work. Here's the truth. These ideas are not secrets. But execution? That's where 99% fail. If you wait, the opportunity is gone. 2026 will reward action takers. So pick one idea and start today. If you want step-by-step guides on building these AI businesses, subscribe now because the next video might be your breakthrough. Comment AI below and I'll share a free roadmap to get started.